Today we will see class 12 legal studies unit 2 topics of law. Unit 2 A law of property. To understand the following concepts: property, movable property, immovable property, persons competent to transfer, essential for a valid transfer, doctrine of election, sale, lease, exchange, gift. A. Introduction to property law. Matters relating to the property are governed by the Transfer of Property Act 1882 in India. The object of the Transfer of Property Act in bracket called TPA under the unit of property law is to regulate the transfer of property between living persons. It shall also serve as the code of contract law governing immovable property. The Transfer of Property Act 1882 provides clarity on the subject. It is the systematic and uniform law on the transfer of immovable property in India. B. Types of property: movable and immovable. Property: movable, immovable. In movable, Sales of Goods Act. Immovable, Transfer of Property Act. The term property or the term transfer of property are not defined in the Act. Though not defined, the word property has been used in a broad sense throughout the Act. Every interest or right that has an economic value denotes property. Property is of two kinds: movable and immovable. Movable property is one which can be transferred from one place to another and is governed by the Sale of Goods Act. Immovable property governed by the Transfer of Property Act is not defined in the Act. However, under Section 3, immovable property does not include standing timber, growing crabs or grass. Immovable property includes land, buildings and benefits arising out of land, things attached to the earth. In simple words, any property that is attached to the earth and cannot be transferred from one place to another is called immovable property. In Sandabhai vs. State of Bombay, 1858 SC 532, the distinction between the movable and immovable property was observed. If the intention is to reap fruits from the trees, then it is regarded as an immovable property. But if the intention is to cut down the tree and use it as a timber, it would be regarded as a movable property. In Marshall West Green in bracket 33 LT 404, there was a sale of trees wherein the trees were cut and taken away. The court held that the sale was not that of immovable property. C. Transfer. Who can transfer the property? Any person who is competent to the contract, in bracket person above 18 years of age, having the sound mind and not the disqualified by any law in force, and authorized to dispose of the property with owner of the property or any person authorized to sell the property can make a transfer. The person who transfers the property is called the transferor, and the person to whom transferred the made is called the transferee. How can property be transferred? The mode of transfer of property varies according to the value of the property. If the value of the property is more than ₹100, then transfer has to be made only by a registered instrument. If the property is tangible and the value of the property is less than rupees 100 irrespective of the value of the property, then the transfer has to be made only by delivery, whereas for intangible property, irrespective of the value of the property, transfer has to be made only by a registered instrument. In bracket, a registered instrument contains the records of the owner of the property. For example, shares, bonds, etc. A registered instrument has to be attested at least by two persons who are the parties to the transfer. Attestation means affixing the signature in the registered instrument. The witnesses should mark their signature too on the instrument with an intention to attest. Registration of the instrument is an essential legal formality. During registration, the parties to the transfer must be present to affix their signatures in the document and complete the transaction with regard to immovable property. While doing so, the document containing the rights, obligations and liabilities of the parties should be clearly mentioned in the document which is registered. Registration shall take place by affixing a seal of the Register Office, which shall be subsequently included in official records. D. Essential for a valid transfer. The following are the essential for valid transfer. In a transfer of property, the transfer should be between two or more living persons. The property that is going to be transferred should be free from encumbrance in bracket, hindrance of any form, and be of the transferable nature. The transfer should not be for an unlovable object or an unlovable consideration bracket. For a detailed understanding, refer to the chapter on contracts involving person legally disqualified to be transferor or transferee. The transferor who transfers the property must be competent to make the transfer, be entitled to be the transferable property, be authorized to dispose of the property if the property is not his own property. The transfer should be made according to the appropriate mode of transfer. Necessary formalities like registration, attestation, etc. should be complied with. In case of the additional transfer, where an interest is created on the fulfillment of condition, the condition should not be illegal, immoral, impossible or opposed to public policy. E. Doctrine of election. According to the principle of doctrine of election in bracket section 3.5 of the TPE, a party to the transfer cannot accept as well as reject in a single transaction. In other words, while claiming advantages of an instrument, the burden of the instrument should also be accepted. If a person to the transfer gets two selections, bracket a benefit or a burden, then he has to accept both the benefit and the burden or none. He not accept the benefit and reject the burden in a single transaction. Illustration: A sells his garden as well as his house through one instrument to B, whereas B wants to retain only the house and wants to cancel the transfer regarding the garden. According to the doctrine of election, B has to retain the garden if he wants to retain the house, or cancel the whole transaction. B cannot retain the house and cancel the transfer regarding the garden. In Copper vs. Copper 1874 LR 7 HL 53, the court held that the doctrine election applied on every instrument and all types of property. Activity: try and locate the property that is owned by someone you know. List all the elements of transfer that you can find through the transaction. See if the doctrine of election exists within the transaction. If so, enumerate its applicability. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.